My name's George. I'm a tiler by trade. I'm a big Haines enthusiast. Love my boats. Love my fishing. Yeah, that's where it's brought me today. This is a 1989 635 hour. I got it off my dad for my 25th birthday, and I've fully restored it from floor stringers, dash, arse end, 2 new engines, Suzuki 140s, new electronics, new stainless, you name it. It's been done. It was off the water for about 3 years, I reckon. I just love these boats. I love the hull, so that's why I chose to remain with this boat. Does everything I need offshore. So I've opted to go with a Simrad NSS 12 Evo 3S and a B&G for GPS. Always used to be a Furuno man, but thought I'll change and try something different, which I'm loving it at the moment. So it does everything I need. I'll go to Portland chasing jumbo tuna, go to the East Coast chasing marlin, kingfish. I love my snapper.